When you're posting your social media content, are you just throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping it sticks? Well, today we are going to review social media analytics and how you can use them to test and apply strategies that drive real results. But first, let's talk about why social media analytics matter. Understanding your audience's behavior, tracking engagement metrics, and measuring the effectiveness of your content are essential to a successful social media strategy. Whether you're using Instagram Insights, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok Insights, each platform has valuable data that can help you optimize your content and maximize your impact. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to use social media analytics effectively. It all starts with setting clear goals and KPIs, also known as key performance indicators. What is it that you want to achieve with your social media efforts? Is it increased engagement, more web traffic, higher conversion rates? Next, you'll want to set up a centralized dashboard and all-in-one place where you can track and analyze your social media performance. For today's demonstration, I am going to show you my strategy, which is using Google Sheets. This allows you to monitor key metrics such as likes, shares, follows, saves, and so much more all in one place.
All right, let's dive right in. This is an example of my content and lead reporting analytics. So this is what you will see linked below. You can steal my strategy and use this spreadsheet where I have multiple tabs divided between content reporting, lead reporting. I also have a content calendar for organization and a Google Doc how-to guide and how to use it and customize it to your liking. Now, what you want to do is make sure that you have all of your tabs organized based on what it is that your social media goals are. What are you looking to track and analyze? There are many different insights that you could take into account. So for example, let's say you want to put in your title or hook. This way you can easily identify which post it is that you are referring to. You can put in the type of post and then the date and all of the other tabs that I have filled out. For time's sake, I'm not going to go through each individual tab. I do want to include that I go through weekly and update my tracking and reporting sheet. Now, with the exception of the time of post and the number of audio uses at the time I posted, because those two things you can't get a week later. You can get the day that you posted, generally speaking, but they don't show you the time of day that you posted, specifically Instagram. In addition to that, the number of uses varies as the more people use it. So you want to put in those two metrics as you post your content. Everything else can be done whatever, if you want to use my strategy and do it weekly or as often as you would like. Your dashboard is fully customized and you've entered in your data. Now it's time to analyze it. You want to look for different trends, patterns, and correlations between different metrics. What type of content resonates best with your audience? Is there a certain time of day that seems to be performing better than another? Or maybe it is the trending audio that you're using. Do you typically see better results with uses less than 1,000? Or are you seeing better results with trending audio that may be less than 10,000 or more than? Now comes the fun part, applying your insights and refining your posting strategy. Experiment with different types of content, posting schedules, and engagement tactics based on what the data tells you. Remember, social media is about learning and testing, so don't be afraid to try new things to see what works best for your audience. Always keep an eye on your analytics to track your products and make data-driven decisions. Now, one recommendation that I would make as you're testing out different strategies is once you've analyzed your data and you've seen certain things that perform better than another, try to implement those strategies one at a time, meaning if you feel like you've seen a certain topic perform better than another, but you're also seeing a certain time of day performing better, try for 1 week to make the change to only post at X time. And then if you see that's continuing to perform well, you can keep that going. Then the following week, you can add in or test out the topic to see if that is also giving you that higher reach engagement or whatever it is that you are tracking. And there you have it. That's how you can use social media analytics to test and apply strategies to your social media content posting to drive better results. If you want to use my content reporting strategy, then be sure to click on the link below where you will get a copy of the fully customizable Google Sheet that I've created with the multiple tabs and a Google Doc that explains exactly how to use it and customize it based on your needs. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and more tips and tricks on how to make money online and maximize your social media marketing efforts. Until next time.